In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the mobile version of your site using the Godaddy website builder. This step-by-step guide is ideal for those who wish to ensure their website looks great and functions seamlessly on mobile devices. First things first, you'll need to log into your Godaddy website builder account. Start by clicking on the sign in button. This is your first step towards customizing your website for mobile viewers. Once you've done that, you're prompted to enter your username and password. Make sure you enter the correct details to avoid any login issues. After you've successfully entered your login credentials, go ahead and click on the sign in button to access your Godaddy website builder dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for everything related to your website. Now, to actually start editing your site, navigate to the website section from your dashboard. Here you'll find all the tools and features Godaddy offers for website customization and enhancement. Look for the Edit Website option. This is your gateway to real-time website editing. Once you're in the editing mode, it's time to see how your site looks in its mobile version. To do this, click on Preview. This action will open a view of how your website currently looks, but remember we're focusing on the mobile view, so your next step is to switch the preview to mobile mode. There is a mobile icon located at the top of the preview page. Clicking this will instantly switch your view to the mobile version of your website. This view is crucial because it allows you to see your site exactly how a visitor on a mobile device would see it. With the mobile view active, it's time to enter the edit mode specifically tailored for mobile. To do that, look for the Edit Site button. This is where the real work begins. You're now in the position to make changes that only affect the mobile presentation of your site. It's an incredibly useful feature since what works on the desktop version of your site might not work as well on mobile. This next step is where your creativity and judgment play a big role. Start editing your website with the mobile view in mind. This might include adjusting text sizes, modifying layout for better readability, repositioning call to action buttons, or even swapping out images for more mobile friendly versions. The goal here is to ensure everything looks good and functions smoothly on a smaller screen. This process can involve a lot of tweaking and previewing, so take your time to get it right. A few tips as you edit. Remember the importance of speed and simplicity for mobile users. Keep your design uncluttered, ensure your text is easily readable, and make navigation straightforward. Every change you make should aim towards creating a pleasant and efficient experience for mobile visitors. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments and are satisfied with how your site looks in the mobile preview, it's essential to save your changes. After saving, it's always a good idea to do a final check by visiting your website on an actual mobile device. This gives you a real-world perspective of your site's mobile user experience. And there you have it. You've successfully edited the mobile version of your site using the Godaddy website builder. This process may seem a bit detailed at first, but with practice it becomes a straightforward way to ensure your website is welcoming and accessible to all your visitors, no matter how they access it. Remember, the mobile version of your site is increasingly becoming the first point of contact between your business and potential customers. By taking the time to fine-tune and optimize this aspect of your website, you're setting the stage for better engagement, higher satisfaction, and ultimately increased success in your digital endeavors. Thanks for watching and happy editing.